Go through this. See this? This. Fucked it up. For the past couple months, we've been working off the 12, the 14, and the Sony X, whatever the fuck camera it was. And one of our babies is down. So right now we in Mayfair Mall. I'm about to try to get my screen fixed. I went to the Apple store. The Apple store was trying to... I'm not paying $300-400 for a new screen. Not today, I don't got it. So, my boy finna hold me down. He finna get me right, man. You got me, my dog? You got it.
Who was that?
He got me, man. You know what I'm saying? Dig over here in the cup. I know he's sick of me. I've been having Jig running around all fucking day. I mean, all day. I mean, I was pissed, fucked up. I mean, damn. My bad, my boy. But shit, I know we been running around all day. Jig, you pissed at me, dog? Man, you saw how motherfucking mad that motherfucking phones made me. Both phones went out. I went to Zaza's. I told the nigga, I said, bro, because I know they fix phones there and shit. I know they be trying to charge because they in the middle of the trenches and shit. So I go there, they trying to whack me. I go to Zaza's, I'm telling them, I'm like, all right, I want my phone fixed.
I want a Philly cheesesteak.
Okay, look, I'm riding in the car, my phone working, I'm checking my Cash App, I'm looking at my stocks, my Bitcoin, I'm like, okay, shit is working, boom. I turn up the music, you know, I'm playing my shit, I'm on my way to his house. I look down, man, my phone not working no more. I'm like, wait, what's wrong with the screen? I'm like, what the fuck? So I turn it off. It won't let me slide it over to power off. I'm like, what the fuck? So then I'm like, man, I'm trying everything. I was banging it a little bit. I'm like, man, well, I had to pull over. I got it to the point where I had to watch a YouTube tutorial. A whole fucking YouTube tutorial. I really had to go on YouTube and type in, why is my iPhone screen not working? They told me to press up, press down, and hold the power button, and it'll restart, and then it's work. That shit ain't work. Like Burn Post say, what'd he say? That shit weak. So once that wasn't working, I'm like, damn. All right, what the fuck else can I do? So I go to Zaza's. I tell him like, ooh, want it fixed, blah, blah, blah. He like 160. I talk him down to 120. I couldn't believe I talked him down to 120. I got it in the 120. Boom, he said, come back in an hour, pick it up. I'm like, bet. I go to his house. I make a couple of shirts. I'm back on it. Now it's at the point where I'm ready to go. I'm like, Jig, you ready? He's like, yeah, we gone. Boom. We jump in the car. We on the way to Zaza's to pick up the phone. So right before we leave out, I'm like, cool. I'm making shirts and shit. My motherfucking phone fall off the fucking counter. And it's already cracked. This is my second phone. It was already cracked. But now the motherfucker, it's not working either. 2 phones in one day, in one morning. It ain't even, what time is it? This motherfucker 3 something. So I'm like, damn, what the? 3:45. So boom, I'm already on the way to Zaza's to go pick up the other phone. But my new phone ain't working. I got a client calling who wanted some shirts. I can't pick up the phone, it's not working. I'm like, oh my God, I get to panicking. I get mad as a bitch, you know, like my Gemini get to coming out. I'm like, what the So boom, we pull up to Zaza's. I'm like, all right, where my motherfucking phone at? My phone should be ready, you know what I'm saying? They got other customers in front of me. It was an old lady with her son. I ain't want to be rude, but I really was in a rush and I was pissed because now I ain't got no phone that's working. So dude, like, the dude who told me to come back in an hour, he back there, he like, you know, kind of avoiding eye contact with me. So I'm like, man, what the fuck is going on with him? As the nigga is avoiding contact with me, I'm pissed, I'm raging. I'm like, dog, where my motherfucking phone at, bro? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, man, what's going on? You told me come back in an hour, and now the only thing I'm thinking is, it ain't done yet. And just like the fuck I thought, it wasn't done yet. The nigga went, he tapped somebody else to come over there and handle me. What's happening? Yes, we is. What he do? Hey, what's happening, man? So look, I'm like, y'all probably seen her in the Christmas movie with us. Or I'm on that video. Anyways, I'm mad as hell. I'm like, dog, go get my motherfucking phone. It must not be done yet. Oh, no. So the shit, He tapped somebody else, some little short motherfucker too. He was short as hell. I won't forget that. He was short as fuck. He came over there like, oh yeah, you have the iPhone, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, yeah, man, go ahead, man. Go back there and go get the iPhone 12. He come back with the iPhone 12 and then he turn around. I'm like, dog, where the fuck is you going? I'm right here, bring me my motherfucking phone. He avoided me now. So I'm like, man, what the fuck going on? Why everybody avoiding me? Where the fuck is my phone? So then the old dude come out as Zaza, the old Mexican one. I think he got a naked face. I'm like, man, what the fuck going on? Bruh, the nigga come back with the receipt and my phone. The nigga said, and I ain't gonna lie, this shit pissed me clean the fuck off. Like, I was getting so motherfucking mad at this point. Like, this shit was really, really, really pissing me off. Like, dog, like, oh, boom. He come back with the receipt and the phone. He like, sorry, buddy. You can't do it. Receipt, phone. I'm like, dog, what the fuck you mean you can't do it? He like, well, only reason we can't do it because you didn't pay us first. Nigga! Why the fuck would you say pay you first? No, you didn't say pay you first. The only fucking thing you did, you took my motherfucking phone. I told you, I said I can't pay for it until you're done because I have to unlock my card. I have to open my transactions to be able to pay for it. I don't walk around with cash on me. I'm bigger than that. I'm bossier than that. We walk around with credit cards or cards. I turn off my transactions sometimes. Sometimes I be drunk. Sometimes I be... And I subscribe to a lot of bullshit. And then Apple be trying to hit me for $34, $88, $22. $3.99. The URL app for $7.99 a month. 30 in the clip. You can't copy respect. I be like, man, what the fuck? So all the motherfucking different transactions, now I'm turning my transactions off. So I need you to fix my phone so I can unlock my transactions so that I can be able to pay for my phone. He was looking at me like, I don't care about none of that shit. Fuck you, pay me now. I said, give me my shit. I said it mean as hell. I was like, hey dog, give me my shit, cuz. Broke ass nigga, let me get that. Broke ass, bitch ass, licking ass. Oh my mama, give me my shit, nigga, before we throw him in. Next thing I know, he was giving me my shit and I was storming out. I had to come up to Mayfair, shoot up here with 2 phones that don't fucking work. The clients was still fucking calling me for their t-shirts. And it's the nice guy that's getting me together, man. That's how I'm talking to y'all right now. Fix one, we're working on the second one, man. So if you in Mayfair, man, and you need your phone fixed, come holler at my boy, man. We got y'all, man, for a low price, man. It's actually right here in front of this nice store right here, in front of the Gap. That's the Gap right there. And J. Jill, this nice lady over here got some sheepskin, some real life sheepskin material. She got boots, she got like a stuffed sheet, stuff like that. So, you know, just come check out my people. Mall, man. Milwaukee County Black Atlantic TV, man. Black Elite Radio Podcast, Jig, Give Me Me TV. We out. Gang, story time shit. Damn. All these 12, this is 12 too? Oh, up. Oh, the top 3 rows? So, okay. Man, these kind of ass. That white gonna get dirty. Supreme, I'll take the Supreme joint. Fuck it. I'll get the Supreme case. Oh shit, hold on. This one don't look like it's gonna be no good. It just look good. No, I need to protect the phone. Hell no, take this one off. I don't want this. I want something that could take a hit. This could probably take a hit. It's still not enough. Where's the one that it could protect? You got one that can protect?
This is the best fit.
It is? I'll take this.
If you want a little bit more, you can do better.
This my screen right here? I want my screen, son. It's me? Yeah, this $1 million. I can sell this when I get famous. You know how much shit I did off this? Y'all know how much this screen worth? Y'all fucking crazy? This the one.
That's the $1 million baby right there.
This the one. Like this right here.
You know how many M's we smacked up this phone?
Shit. We burnt that bitch out, boy. Let's do it. Dang.